In our factory, we have more than 20 different kinds of the molds. This we introduced the 4 different kinds of the molds, such as this one is for household gloves. Household gloves, shorter one. And this one is, you can see, it has a flower on the back side. This one is a model we developed for a customer because this side, the texture are same. It's without special flowers. It's just to be seen. No back and front side. This one is industry gloves models. Industry glove models, so the wise is a little bit bigger than the household gloves. And this one is for longer gloves, 38 centimeter. 38 centimeter. This is very popular now, especially in Korean market. All of these models are made of the ceramic. So in this material, the gloves will be shaped very well, and the surface is smooth.